Hey, Taylor here with Katana. Today we're going to be talking about shipping fees and how you can associate a shipping fee with a sales order to allow you to track the price for shipping separately from the price that you're selling the products for. Let's open up a sales order. We can look at how we can view, modify, and add shipping fees to a sales order. I have a sales order pulled up, and if we scroll down, you'll notice about halfway down the page, we have a shipping fee area. The first field we have is a description where I can describe the shipping fee. Next, we can add the cost. And finally, if applicable, we can add tax to that. Now, once a shipping fee has been added to a sales order, if we scroll up and we use the PDF print templates, that shipping fee will show up on the PDF templates. Give me a moment while I load this in and we'll review that PDF. Now that I have the PDF pulled up, you can see towards the bottom of the page here, we have our shipping fee section, which matches the sales order that we had in Katana. If, for example, we go into Katana and we delete the shipping fee from the order, this section will not appear on the PDF templates. Let's jump back into Katana and we'll talk about the integrations with e-com platforms and QuickBooks Online and how shipping fees are going to work with those. Shipping fees can also be pulled directly from an e-com platform like BigCommerce, Shopify, or WooCommerce and get automatically pulled into Katana with the order. If you're already set up with one of these platforms, you will need to disconnect and reconnect to activate these settings. And there are step-by-step guides for that reconnection process to enable those features. If you're using QuickBooks Online, shipping fees can also be sent over to QuickBooks Online when an invoice is sent over. The same disconnect and reconnect procedure will need to be done with QuickBooks Online. None of your data will be lost with any of these reconnections. And if you do have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to our team, and we're more than happy to help. So as always, thanks for stopping. Keep an eye out for future videos, and we'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.